Hello everyone! Do you need to send your photos from Sony Alpha directly to your phone? It is a very convenient feature if you want to share pics with friends and post them on social media. Let's dive into the process. Step 1. First, download and install the Sony Imaging Edge mobile app on your smartphone. This app is available for free in both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app to prepare it for connecting to your camera. Step 2. Turn on your Sony Alpha 6500 and press the menu button. Navigate to the Network tab and select Airplane Mode. Make sure to set it to Off to activate the Wi-Fi functionality of the camera. Step 3. Still in the network settings. Choose the option Send to Smartphone. This allows you to choose specific images to send to your smartphone or set the camera to send images automatically. Step 4. To do it, you need to choose Register New Camera in the app and then choose Other Models. After it, you'll get several options on how to connect your camera. Choose the easiest one, QR code. Now simply scan a QR code on your camera's screen with your phone. Voila! Your picture is right here. That's all. Now you know how to quickly and easily send photos from your camera directly to your smartphone.